Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce expenses for families with Costco, full guide step by step clearly. Start by setting a clear budget for your family's monthly expenses. Identify the categories where you spend the most, such as groceries, household supplies, and personal care items. Consider becoming a Costco member if you're not already. Visit the Costco website or a nearby location to learn about membership options and their benefits. Once you are a member, plan your shopping trips around Costco's monthly sales and promotions. Make a detailed shopping list before heading to the store. Stick to your list to avoid impulse purchases that can add to your expenses. Take advantage of Costco's bulk purchasing options for non-perishable items. This can save you money in the long run and reduce the frequency of your shopping trips. Look for seasonal items or holiday specials that can further cut costs. Explore the store's Kirkland Signature brand for high-quality products at lower prices. Use Costco's pharmacy services if you have prescription medications to save on healthcare costs. Consider purchasing gift cards for restaurants and entertainment at discounted prices. Utilize the Costco website and app to check for digital coupons before shopping. Keep track of your expenses by regularly reviewing your receipts and adjusting your budget as needed. Make use of the return policy for items that may not meet your family's needs. Stay informed about Costco's policies and frequent flyer rewards to maximize your savings. Finally, share tips and experiences with friends and family to make shopping more enjoyable and economical. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.